Okay, good morning class. Today we are going to do phonic sounds and these are the alphabets. We have in the last class we did the alphabets, how to pronounce alphabet. Now today we are going to learn what are the sounds of these alphabet. That means pronunciation is different and sounds are different. Okay, so let's start with one by one. I'm going to and you can repeat maybe in the next way. First listen to me how I'm going to pronounce these alphabet and the phonic sounds for them. Now A says A. You know, you have to open your mouth big. A. Okay, and then say A. A says A. Apple. A says A. Apple. B says ball. Now when I say B, what I'm doing, I'm squeezing both the lips tight and then I'm losing it with the air. There is a throw and it's b. If you put your hand in front of your mouth and you can see the throw here. It is not B. B, there is no throw. When I say with the sound, with the air, there is a throw here. Yeah. That means that's the right phonic sound. Okay, that's how we're going to learn. B says ball. C says cat. C says cat. D says dog. D says dog. E says
elephant.
Elephant. E says elephant. Then after E, F. Now F says fish. That's the sound. Put your upper teeth on the lower lip and then there is a throw. Put your hand here, there is a throw, okay? F says
Fish.
F says
Fish.
G says goat. G says goat. H. Now
H.
as I said, this is H. H says horse. H says horse. I says igloo. I says igloo. J says jug. J says
Jug.
J is a very musical sound. If you see, it's like that's the sound. Okay. K says kite. K says
Kite.
there is a hit here. You can feel the touch here. Okay. Right. Kite. L says lion. Okay. Now when you say L, you have to roll your tongue. All right. L. Right. The more you roll your tongue, the more beautifully the sound will come. Right. So L says lion. Okay. Then M. When you say M, you have to again press your both the lips tight and then M says monkey. M says
Monkey.
That sound is very important. N is a nasal sound again. Here, when you put your hand here on the nose, you will feel the vibration here. Okay. N says nose. N says nose. Okay. Then O. O is very easy. O says octopus. Right?
Says
Octopus. P says
Papa.
P
Says Papa.
or parrot. Okay. Q says queen. Quill. Question. Alright? R. Now R is very beautiful. The more you roll your tongue, alright, you don't have to touch the palate. Your tongue will be rolling in your mouth, alright? It's R. And the more you tongue, the more R sound. That sound is very important, alright? So R says rose. Okay? Yeah? R. So give me any other word. Rabbit. R says rabbit. Okay, it's not r sound. It is actually sound. Mind it. Hum r bolte hain. Rabbit. It is not rabbit. It's rabbit. That's what. Okay. Now S. Beautiful. Like a snake says, right? This sound. That's S says snake. S says snake. Again, you have to throw air. Okay. With the teeth, right? You have to close your teeth and then have to throw air. That's the sound. Then T. T is again very beautiful. T. T says tongue. T says tongue. It's not toe. It's not toe. Toe is like you're hitting hard. We are not hitting hard. It is very soft sound. You know. The back of your teeth, you know, the back of the teeth, you just have to touch your tongue very softly. And that's the sound of T. T says tongue, touch, ta-ta, anything, right? Okay. Then U. U says umbrella. U says umbrella. V says v. Now again, V may, what we're going to do is, we're going to put your upper teeth on the lower lip and then there's a buzzing sound, it's very tickling here. That's the sound. See here. V says van. V says van. Have it tickling, you don't feel that tickling thing here. Okay. Now this is what? Now this is W. What is this?
W.
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 W says watch. W says watch. X says cut. Christmas tree, right? There's very less of the words because X comes in the middle of this word. So every time that's a X sound. That's the sound. Okay. Y says yacht. Y says yacht. And the last one is Z. Z says zebra. Z says zebra. And this is the end of your phonics sounds. Thank you.